In this video we will learn how to include position strength in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Manpower budgeting module on top navigation bar. So here you can see open position form. Click on the Include Positions button to add a new request. Select the planning from drop-down. Next, select the required positions from drop-down to include in planning. Else use Import Positions option to list down all unmapped positions. Financial impact will be generated automatically by the system. Add a description before submitting the request. Next, click on a Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.